Moving on now to these visuals that we are getting this morning, which talk about how there are stringent rules which have been imposed in Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology in Bhopal. These girls are protesting against the administration. Students are on a strike, what they call a gender discriminatory hostel rule. And the timings, the students allege that this institute has stipulated 9:30 p.m. as a deadline for them to enter the hostel. There is no such restriction on the boys, so it's only for the girls. And girls have been asked to wear not to wear shorts and skirts on the campus. The girls taking it to the college streets where they're protesting against such kind of brazen discrimination. Take a listen. So with the modern education, have a modern outlook is what these girls are saying. In the newsroom also, we have Akshita, who is from Chennai's Vaishnav College. Akshita, we understand you also face this kind of brazen discrimination. It's very common in colleges to have a dress code.
It's more common than we think, really, Devina. You know, in these kind of cases, we're seeing students actually come out and say, and you see in this particular college, we're seeing protests. There is a ban on mini skirts and shorts, whereas in colleges like mine, we were not allowed to wear t-shirts. We were only allowed to wear kurta. So that's how much it can go to. In colleges, in Chennai particularly, it's known that most of them have dress codes where it's compulsory to wear salwar. So possibly this is just the beginning, and maybe we need to really look into it.
Did you also
Well, they weren't really protests in my college because it's considered almost normal in Chennai. It's considered normal to have a dress code and to have a specific timing for your hostel as well. It's something that's, you know, it's there in every single college.
But it's very restrictive as well, Akshita. We do know colleges like Satyabhama University also have squads which are on the college campus to ensure girls and boys do not mix together. Well, this is the story, and it's a start of a revolution from the girls of the Bhopal Institute, where they have said we will not live with such diktats in the modern times.